Hey guys, Lauren Folks Adams coming to you with some tips and tricks on how to get rid of dog hair. So one thing I do if I'm in a hurry is I get a lint brush and I go to town. So I have this chair right here, a lazy boy, and lately Maddie has claimed it as her lazy boy. And so if I have guests coming over, I quickly get out my lint brush and I go to town. So here's the lazy boy, and if you see all this hair right here, so it's all coming up pretty much. And then what I also try and do once a week is go in with the vacuum, and people are always like, what do I use these attachments for? So our vacuum comes with two attachments. One being this one, which is what is best to use when vacuuming furniture. So you're going to attach this to your hose, turn your vacuum on, and then go to town. And then on those days we don't do anything, we have Lulu. She had a rough day of work today. Call today to find out how we give you quality cleaning at reasonable rates. Like us on Facebook and get a quote at guaranteemaidservices.com. Let us give you your weekends back.